How does SIG approach ESG?
So SIG as a company has always been a leader in sustainability and ESG. And as you know, we provide packaging on the market, packaging and packaging solutions, which include the filling lines, but also our packaging, which is beverage cartons, bag-in-box and spouted pouches. And actually our customers expect us to deliver the most sustainable packaging to them, which is, in our belief, regenerative by nature, which means it is made almost entirely from renewable materials, it can be recycled, it goes into circularity, and it replenishes biodiversity. And all of that without a negative trade-off for climate.
How do we feel we are positioned to contribute to the European Union Green Deal?
As I said earlier, SIG has always been a leader in sustainability, and for the Green Deal we have three main priorities that we will focus on: climate, planet and food systems. And we have made a number of commitments. I'm going to just talk about 5 of the commitments because we have many others as well, of course, but I'll focus on these 5. And the first one is about Europe's forests. So we will actually make more resilient forests in Europe, and we have a very strong forest positive commitment that we are actively investing in. The second is actually reducing the use of fossil-based materials or minimizing the use of fossil-based materials in our packaging. And to this, we have launched the world's first aluminium-free beverage cartons. And we have sold over 3 billion of these in Europe already. Thirdly, we will also minimize the waste that is in our supply chain and with our customers. Fourthly, we will go to paper-based beverage cartons, more and more paper, which means that we will actually not take as much carbon, put as much carbon out in the atmosphere as what we actually are using. And the last commitment that we have is actually to make sure that all our beverage cartons and all our packaging is collected and recycled.
Can you tell us something about WWF initiative?
Yes, so SIG is very proud to be a partner of WWF Switzerland. We established this partnership 3 years ago, and actually this partnership is part of our forest positive ambition, where we aim to restore more forests than what we need to create our beverage cartons. As you know, our beverage cartons are made from paper, so we do use the forest resources, and we have a very ambitious goal to create more than 650,000 hectares of forest. And we are very proud of the 3 projects that we have announced with WWF in Malaysia, Thailand and Mexico. And we also have very iconic species that are attached to this. For example, in Mexico we have the jaguar, in Malaysia we have the elephant, and also we have communities that will also benefit, that live in and around the forest will also benefit from this partnership.